How to fix Microsoft Outlook not syncing. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today with admin delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. After you open Settings in here, click on Apps. After you click on Apps, in the settings, you will find this kind of screen pop up. On the left side, click on Apps and Features and search for Outlook in here. After you find Outlook, click on the Outlook for Windows. After you click on it, you will find these options pop up. In here, simply click on Advanced Options. After you click on Advanced Options, here you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply scroll down and click on Repair. After you click on Repair and it's done, open Outlook and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Microsoft Outlook not syncing. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.